Join me as I challenge myself to eat more fish for a week and see if it really boosts my health. I've always been curious about the benefits of eating fish, and I'm excited to dive in and explore how it can impact my overall well-being. From what I've learned so far, it seems that fish is an incredibly nutritious food that can provide a wealth of benefits when consumed as part of a balanced diet. I'm eager to learn more about the different types of fish, their nutritional profiles, and how they can be incorporated into my daily meals. There are a lot of misconceptions about eating fish, and one of the most common concerns is about mercury levels. Some people believe that all fish is high in mercury, and that eating it regularly can lead to mercury poisoning. However, the truth is that while some types of fish do contain high levels of mercury, many others are perfectly safe to eat. In fact, the FDA has published guidelines on which fish are low in mercury and can be consumed regularly. For example, fish like salmon, sardines, and anchovies are all low in mercury and are great sources of nutrients. Another misconception about fish is that it's all about the same in terms of nutritional value. However, different types of fish have unique nutritional profiles, and some are higher in certain nutrients than others. For instance, fatty fish like salmon and mackerel are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health and brain function. On the other hand, leaner fish like cod and tilapia are lower in fat but still provide a good source of protein and other nutrients. It's also worth noting that some fish are higher in calories than others, so it's essential to keep portion sizes in mind when consuming them. Some people are also concerned about the sustainability of fish, and whether eating it is harming the environment. While it's true that some fishing practices can be detrimental to the environment, many fisheries are now adopting sustainable practices to minimize their impact. Additionally, there are many organizations that certify sustainable seafood, making it easier for consumers to make informed choices. By choosing sustainable seafood, we can help promote environmentally friendly fishing practices and reduce our carbon footprint. The health benefits of fish are numerous, and one of the most significant advantages is the high levels of omega-3 fatty acids found in many types of fish. These essential fatty acids have been shown to reduce inflammation, improve heart health, and even support cognitive function. Fish is also an excellent source of protein, which is essential for building and repairing muscles. Furthermore, fish is rich in various vitamins and minerals, including vitamin D, selenium, and zinc. With so many health benefits, it's no wonder that fish is often recommended as part of a balanced diet. Eating fish has been shown to have a significant impact on heart health, reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. The omega-3 fatty acids found in fish help to lower triglycerides, reduce blood pressure, and prevent blood clots from forming. This can be especially beneficial for people who are at risk of heart disease, such as those with high cholesterol or a family history of heart disease. In addition to heart health, fish has also been shown to support cognitive function, with some studies suggesting that it may even help to reduce the risk of dementia and Alzheimer's disease. Different types of fish provide varying levels of nutrients, and some are more beneficial than others. For example, sardines and anchovies are small, oily fish that are packed with omega-3 fatty acids and calcium. These tiny fish are also low in mercury and are a great addition to salads or pasta dishes. On the other hand, larger fish like tuna and swordfish are higher in mercury and should be consumed in moderation. By incorporating a variety of fish into our diets, we can reap the rewards of their unique nutritional profiles and enjoy a range of delicious flavors and textures. Increasing fish consumption can lead to significant health improvements, and I'm excited to share my own experience with you. After challenging myself to eat more fish for a week, I noticed a significant improvement in my energy levels and overall well-being. My skin was clearer, my hair was shinier, and I felt more focused and alert. I also noticed a reduction in inflammation, which was a welcome relief from the occasional aches and pains I've been experiencing. While everyone's experience will be different, I'm convinced that eating more fish can have a profound impact on our health and well-being. Studies have also shown that eating fish regularly can have a positive impact on our health. For example, a study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that eating fish just once a week can reduce the risk of heart disease by up to 30%. Another study found that children who eat fish regularly have better cognitive function and are less likely to develop ADHD. These findings are promising, and they suggest that incorporating fish into our diets can have a range of benefits that extend far beyond just our physical health. In addition to the health benefits, eating more fish can also be a great way to mix up our diets and try new recipes. There are so many different types of fish to choose from, and they can be prepared in a variety of ways, from baking and grilling to sautéing and stir-frying. Whether you're a fan of mild-flavored fish like cod or prefer the stronger flavor of salmon, there's a type of fish out there to suit every taste. By experimenting with new recipes and flavors, we can keep our diets interesting and prevent boredom from setting in. I'd love to hear from you. Have you noticed any benefits from eating fish, or do you have a favorite type of fish that you like to cook with? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my next video on healthy eating, where I'll be exploring the benefits of a plant-based diet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. In summary, the key benefits of eating more fish are numerous, and they include reduced inflammation, improved heart health, and support for cognitive function. By incorporating a variety of fish into our diets, we can reap the rewards of their unique nutritional profiles and enjoy a range of delicious flavors and textures. While there are some concerns about mercury and sustainability, these can be mitigated by choosing low-mercury fish and opting for sustainable seafood. With so many benefits and a range of options to choose from, it's no wonder that fish is often recommended as part of a balanced diet.